We're at the airport. I'm all packed up. My daughter's over there leaving. And me and my little daughter here is entering the terminal.
It's my first time.
It's your first time on a plane. Airport. No, I have snacks in my bag. And we're at the airport. Where Dad is.
I really need to go wash.
At the airport.
They're over there.
They're over there.
Let's go to them.
Come.
On the front.
And they are right there. We're at the airport. And we're all packed up.
You're gonna film something by accident.
It's okay. And we're ready to rock and roll. Yabby dabby doo. Alright.
You're going the wrong way.
You can go under. They're right there. Alright, we checked in. And we have all our baggages now. And we are about to go to the gate.
You have to pass the person at the gate. So that's the thing.
We said goodbye to relatives and we're so excited. Africa, here we come. Come on, come on, let's go.
Make sure that was there.
Let's go.
That's your boarding pass.
You have so much bags. Go. God is so good to us. We met such a nice person at the airport. Ah. So you all, we are going to fly from Canada here to Addis Ababa, and then Addis Ababa to Dar es Salaam. All right, let's get to our gate. Which gate we going to? Which gate we going to, Dad? Which, 7? Okay. And we're heading to gate number 7. And this is our gate here. Gate number 7. Gate number 7. Where are you going to?
Ethiopia.
Hey guys, we just went through customs. All our bags are checked. Everything we have on our body. Look at my husband, he's carrying so much bags. And my kids. Come on. All our bags are checked. Look at me, I've got my camera. Yeah, E74? Okay. Come on, Nadara. Put your bag. You're a strong girl. Come on. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you with your bag. My daughter is struggling. Oh, is that the crew? The beautiful ladies. Okay, let me help you.
Crewmates.
I know, they look so nice. Let's take them. This is the crew we'll be flying with, our flying crew. Wow, the uniform is so beautiful. I love it. This is our crew. The uniform is so nice. Wow. Anyways, we're heading to our gate. And yeah, that's what we are doing. And we are so happy. So happy, guys. So happy. We're coming. We're coming. have to go get Hadara. Go ahead. Okay.
Come on. I have all the stuff to carry.
I had to get Hadara.
Okay.
Hadara was behind. Had to go get her. I'll take a
Just-
suitcase.
As long as you're with her, I can walk because I need to walk fast with all this stuff.
Okay. Ella. Huh? Yeah, I know. That's our crew. Our beautiful crew. This, we're going here? Huh? Huh?
Green. Oh. Green means go, red means stop.
Oh.
I can't really go in the airplane. Airplanes are so big.
All right. Wait, it's a long walk, right? Oh my goodness. I'll see you guys when I get to the
It's
gate.
not full.
It's not full?
Just keep it on there.
Oh, so the,
The airport's not full.
yeah, it's kind of deserted.
We're going to go all the way down there.
Wow,
If you're walking,
that's a far walk.
that's how airports go.
Oh my gosh,
This is a huge plane.
it's a huge plane. Wow. Come on, Madar.
So this flight has two pilots.
Oh,
Agara.
get on. Come, Mika, come over here.
Two crews, so it has 4 pilots.
Oh. Why you have that in your hand? It's supposed to be in your bag.
It goes with fit.
I'm so tired already.
My elbow hurts.
We have to put all this thing back in the bag. Right in the escalator. Right in the escalator.
And the escalator just goes straight.
Yeah, it just goes straight. It's a long escalator.
What's the point?
It's long.
You just walk on it.
Walk away from it.
We are boarding. We are boarding. We're taking into the airplane. Turn me up so they can see me.
They're going to see a big display if this is a big plane.
Yeah? Thank you. Oh, sorry.
A330?
Yeah.
This is the biggest
What does the
plane.
blue thing
No,
mean?
it's not a big plane, but it's a big plane.
Blue mean kids?
Blue with their color.
Because you have red, huh?
I have blue.
You have blue?
Yeah.
And I have red. Me and Faraz have red. Oh, maybe blue is female?
And red is boys.
Maybe they switch it around. Because normally blue would be boys and red would be girls. So, you know.
We have blue.
I can't film anybody except me, mommy. I said I'm trying to film only you.
Oh, look. His one?
Yeah.
I have mine.
You have it? Oh,
string.
you found it.
No,
Perfect.
no, that's my second string, not my main one. This one doesn't work that well. But it's okay. And Zed said to bring it. Zed said to bring this one. I was going to bring it.
Okay, no problem. We are boarding, 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 boarding. Boarding, 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 boarding. It's gonna be memories for us. Ah, and it's so hot.
Walk and make us walk upstairs?
You just wait. Film me a little bit. Come on. So I keep filming because they now film me. You told me going in there. Here. Give me. But I was. Yeah. Yeah. The last time I went to a plane was just when we went to Seattle. Oh. I love your dress. It's so pretty. I love the uniform. It's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. This side? So we're in the plane. Well, 26B. 35? Okay. Trying to find our seat in the plane. In the plane. 34J. Trying to find our seats. 35B? 34? Okay, we're 34?
24?
34.
34 around here. 33.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay, 34. Okay, we're in 34. 34 what? Which one are you in?
I'm 34J.
34J?
And you are...
Yeah, so 34.
Yeah, that's 34 here.
Go ahead.
Okay, so go here.
You got the window seat.
Huh?
What's the window seat? Farris want to get the window seat? Want the apple come over, Hazel? You took one?
No, I didn't take any.
I bought it for you, right? I know you like this.
Okay, guys, we are now on the plane. We are boarded, and we all sit in our seat, and we are waiting to move off the runway. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
All aboard?
All aboard, as you can hear. The hostess is saying all aboard. Yeah.
first time in an airplane.
Africa for the first time.
ተረጋግተው መሳሳት እንወዳለን። ከአውሮፕላኑ ለመውረድ ዳታችን መንገደኞቻችን ሌሎች መንገደኞች ወርደው እስኪጨርሱ ድረስ እንደተቀመጣቸው ብቁ እየጠየቅን የበረራ አስተናጋጆቹ መጥተው እንደሚረዷቸው እናስታውቃለን። ጉዟቸውን በሌላ በረራ የምትቀጥሉ መንገደኞቻችን ተጨማሪ መረጃ ወይም